Hello. Today we're going to look at example 313 using put options. So let's take a look. Hopefully you can follow along as I go through these problems. Remember, in using options, in using put options, what we're trying to do is establish a floor price for our grain while at the same time leaving ourselves the potential for upside or higher prices for our grain. This would be the opposite of hedging, where in hedging what we're doing is we're locking in a specific price. If we're doing a short hedge and we're hedging corn, soybeans, hogs, whatever, and we sell a contract, we're basically locking ourselves in for that price. And if price goes up further, we're just kind of out of luck. We're stuck with the price that we got with the hedge. With an option, the neat thing is that we get to set a floor price. If price goes up further, we get to take advantage of it. The downside of an option is that it costs us money in the form of the premium. The premium is the cost or the price that we have to pay to own the option. Options are traded on the open market just like futures contracts, and so therefore we need to pay those premiums to make sure that we can get that contract or to obtain that option contract. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look. It's May and I am considering buying a put option to provide price insurance for the soybean crop I just planted. November futures are $9 and the November at the money put option premium is 35 cents. Okay, what will my projected net selling price be next fall if November futures price is trading at 8.50 a bushel and the expected harvest basis is 25 cents? Well, the projected floor price is figured as such. We take the strike price, which is $9, minus the premium or the cost of the option, minus the expected basis. So $9 minus the premium of 35 cents minus the basis of 25 cents gives us a projected minimum price of 8.40. Okay, let's take a look at B. So, but back to A, the lowest we're going to get is 8.40 a bushel if price comes down. In problem B, price goes up. We're going to go ahead and take advantage of that price increase. Okay, what will be my projected net selling price next fall if November futures price is trading at 11.50 and the expected harvest basis is 25 cents? Well, instead of using the futures price, or excuse me, the strike price now, we're going to use the futures price because we're not going to exercise the option. If we exercise the option, that allows us to sell futures at $9. That was the strike price. Okay, but price went up. Futures went up to 11.50. So we don't want to use that option anymore. That's the beauty of an option. We don't have to use it. So we will take futures price of 11.50. We're going to subtract the basis of 25 cents to get a cash price of 11.25. We take our beans to town, we sell them for cash price 11.25. The premium was 35 cents. We still had to pay for that even though we didn't use the option. And that leaves us a realized price of 10.90. Okay, that was if we did not exercise the option. Now in C, what we're actually going to do, if price does go down, we're not usually going to actually exercise the option. What we're going to do is actually sell the option back in the open market. The reason we sell options is that in doing so, we're not only going to capture the exercise value in the option, we're also going to capture the extrinsic value. The exercise value is also known as intrinsic value or in the money value, and extrinsic value is the value of the option above and beyond the exercise value. So look at this example and see what is my actual net selling price next fall if futures price is trading at not $8. Remember now, we have a strike price of $9. So this option, it was $1 in the money. We can sell at 9. The open market is 8. So the put option premium is $1.05. Remember, I just said the intrinsic value or exercise value is $1. The option's trading at $1.05. So there's an extra 5 cents a bushel if we sell the option versus exercising it. The basis at this time is also 25 cents. So this is going to sound confusing. It's really not that bad. Well, let's take a look here. We sell this option at 9. We could sell at $9. We could buy at $8. We're in the money $1. Okay, that's what I already said. But we realized that the option's selling for $1.05, so we're going to go ahead and sell the option for $1.05. Remember that we originally paid 35 cents for the option. The premium was 35 cents when we bought it. So we sell the option for $1.05. We originally paid 35 cents for it, so that was a gain of 70 cents a bushel. Okay, futures price is $8. Basis is 25 cents. So that means cash price is $7.75. We take our cash price, that's what we got for the beans that we delivered, cash price, plus the gain of 70 cents a bushel by selling the option, gives us a realized price of $8.45, excuse me. That's 5 cents better than the $8.40 floor price that we projected in problem A. The reason for the 5 cents is that we captured 5 cents of extrinsic value by selling the option versus exercising it. Okay. Question D. What's my actual net selling price next fall if November futures are trading at $10? The put option premium is 5 cents and the basis is 25 cents. So remember, we have an option with a strike price of $9. It's an at the money put option. At the money meaning the premium is exactly what futures price is. So we have the right to sell at $9 with our option, but hey, open market's $10. So we're not in the money at all on our option. Our option does not make us any money at this point because does not have any intrinsic value at all. The option allows us to sell at $9, open market's $10. But the option does have a little bit of extrinsic value. It has 5 cents. So we're going to go ahead and sell that option, at least get back 5 cents for it. Yes, we did pay 35 cents for it, so we did lose 30 cents on the option. But that's okay because our cash price went up then. Futures is up to $10 now. Basis is 25 cents under, so cash price is $9.75. $9.75 cash price minus the 30-cent cost of the option yields a $9.45 realized price. So in this problem, beans went up in price. The option doesn't do us a lot of good, except that we can sell it and get back what little value it has due to market willing to pay a little bit for the extrinsic value for that option. Same thing here, problem 2. We're doing an old crop corn, same number, same math. We expect in July corn is trading at $4.50 now. I would like some price insurance. July at the money put option is trading at 35 cents. So that means it has a strike price of $4.50. It has a premium of 35 cents. And we're expecting a basis of 30 cents. So again, our projected floor is always going to be strike price minus premium minus basis. So our projected floor price in this problem is $3.85. Okay, what's my projected net selling price if July futures price drops to $3.15? Well, we already figured our floor price in problem A, $3.85. What's my projected net selling price in June? Remember now, when we're figuring out our projected minimums or our projected selling prices, we're figuring as if we sell the option or it expires worthless. Okay. We exercise the option or it expires worthless. For example, in C, what's my projected net selling price in June if July futures price rises? Okay, so if futures price is up to 580, we're not going to exercise this option. We have the option to sell at 450. We'll go ahead and sell. Futures price is 580, basis is 30 cents under. That means we got 550 for our cash corn. That's great. We do have to take out the 35-cent premium that we did pay. That yields $5.15 for a realized price. Okay, question D. What's my actual net selling price if July futures price drops to 310? The put option premium rises to $1.55 and the basis is 30 cents. Again, we're not going to exercise the option here. We're going to sell it because we can capture some extra extrinsic value. We sell the we're $1.40 in the money is what this math shows us right here. If I exercise the option, I have a realized price of $3.85. Okay, I don't want to do that. If I sell the option for $1.55, I originally bought it for 35 cents. That means I made $1.20 there. Cash price is $2.80. So that gives me a realized price of $4 there. Our cash price is $2.80 we figured over here. Okay, that's 15 cents better than what we predicted. What's my actual net selling price if the futures price rises to $5 and the put premium drops to 5 cents? And June basis is 30 cents. Okay, futures is $5, basis is 30 cents, cash is $4.70. We originally bought the option for 35 cents, so we subtract that off of the $4.70. We do get to sell it for 5 cents, so we add 5 cents back. We end up with $4.40 for a realized price. Yep. What's my actual net selling price if I don't buy the option at all? I sell my corn on the cash market in June. July futures price rises to $4.70 and actual basis is 30 cents. Well, that's easy. Futures price minus basis yields $4.40 a bushel. That's what we would receive if we wouldn't have bought the option at all. What's my actual net selling price if I don't buy the option at harvest and I sell my corn on the cash market? Futures price drops, and basis is 30 cents. Futures is 350, basis is 30 cents under. That means cash is 320. That's what we get then, 320 a bushel. That's why we buy options. We don't want to get stuck in that situation where we're taking a low price, a low realized price for our grain. So, hope you all understood what happened here. These are somewhat confusing, but really it's pretty simple if you just take your time and follow directions that we've established here. Remember that our projected floor price is always going to be the strike price minus premium minus basis. If we're going to sell the option, just remember that we take our cash price and then we add the gain the gain that we have by selling the option for more than we paid for it. As always, if you have any questions, please feel free to drop me an email, give me a call, or stop by my office, and I'll do my very best to help you out. Thanks for your attention, and good luck.